This video will take you through the various wash programs available on the Smeg dishwashers. For optimum performance, the wash temperature, wash duration and intensity of the program will vary to ensure perfectly clean dishes, glassware and cookware. All Smeg dishwashers have an Eco Wash program. This will use the lowest amount of water and use the least amount of energy than most other programs. It's ideal for washing normally soiled dishes, even with dried on residues. This program might have the longest wash time, but will save pennies in the long run. For crockery and cutlery that are more heavily soiled, use the intensive 60 or 70 degree wash. If you are washing more delicate glassware, it's important to select the lowest temperature wash available on the dishwasher. Some models have a crystal 45 or delicate 50. This will protect the glassware long term. Over time, any dishwasher will cause glassware to become cloudy. It's called etching. It's an irreversible process that causes fine scratching of the glass surface. Using a lower temperature wash and delicate detergent can slow this down. For a quick and speedy turnaround, many of the Smeg dishwashers have an express wash, which will take less than 30 minutes. This is ideal for soiled dishes washed immediately after use. Perfect for turning starter plates into dessert plates when entertaining. Due to the speed of this program, the door will either automatically open or the crockery will need to be manually dried. If you're unsure which wash program to select, some models come with an automatic cycle. By assessing the dirtiness of the water coming off your crockery and cutlery, the dishwasher will decide on the temperature, water used and the length of cycle, providing simplicity in use and peace of mind. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.